एनटीएस टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन की एक और वीडियो में खुशामदीद। आज हम कुछ पेडागॉजी के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दें ताकि आपको ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोज़ की अलर्ट्स मौसूल होती रहें। पहला सवाल है, While teaching in the classroom, any kind of work that involves 2 or more students is a form of A. Collaborative learning, B. Collaborative project, C. Collaborative work, D. Collaborative effort. इसका सही जवाब है A. Collaborative learning. Second question है, syllabus is a part of A. Student, B. School, C. Parents, D. Curriculum. सही आंसर है करिकुलम। तीसरा सवाल है, Which of the following is related with teaching skill? A. Blackboard writing, B. Solving questions, C. Asking questions, D. All of the above. इसका सही आंसर है all of the above. Question number 4 है, Any method of teaching which involves 2 or more students can be termed as A. Class talk, B. Group work, C. Class work, D. Group task. इसका आंसर है group work. Question number 5 है, Traditionally the cards with question, problem or a fact on one side and the answer or a related fact on the other side are called A. Observation cards, B. Placards, C. Flashcards, D. Note cards. The answer is flashcards. Question number 6 है, According to the Character Act 1813, education was the responsibility of A. Governor, B. East India, C. Madaras, D. Local government. इसका सही आंसर है East India Company. According to Piaget's theory of cognitive development, the formal operation stage starts at A. 3, B. 7, C. 11, D. 15. इसका सही आंसर है 11. Question number 8 है, To make classroom teaching more effective, every teacher should discuss with colleagues A. Analyze responses of students, B. Keep him herself abreast of development in the area in his her subject, C. Publish his her writings, D. None of them. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है Analyze responses of students. Question number 9 है, The concept of pragmatism in educational philosophy says that education should be about A. Obedience, B. Virtue, C. Life and growth, D. Shaping good citizens. इसका आंसर है Life and growth. Question number 10 is, The able teacher is one who A. Engages the student in their work, B. Inculcates the interest in the subject among students, C. Helps all the students in passing the examination, D. Maintains peace in the class. इसका सही आंसर है engages the student in their work. आज के लिए इतना ही. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. शुक्रिया.